wintertime, and at least around San Antonio, I don't know if it's the same everywhere, but that's when you finally start seeing the bigger fish come out in all these public waters. I don't know where they go all year, but they seem to only come out around wintertime. And yeah, so I'm going to pull up to this little creek over here and see if I can find any big fish hiding in it. But I had to run some errands earlier, and I'm getting a really late start. The errands took a lot longer than I thought they would. And as you can see, the sun is already setting, so I don't have very much time. But that also means we're going to do another episode of what I call rush hour fishing, where I have a very small allotted amount of time, and I'm going to try to catch as many fish as I can in that amount of time. And looking at this, I've probably got about half an hour maybe of light left before it gets dark. So we're going to see what I can catch before the sun goes down at this little creek over here. So let's get to it. Really warm day today. It was up in the 80s. It had been down in the 60s and during the day, in the 40s at night lately. But now it's in the 80s during the day and the 70s at night. Okay, got a bite there on the Senko. Just a sunfish though. Alright, I don't have a lot of time to waste here, so I'm going to move down. Water is choked up with leaves all over the surface, which I'm sure there's a ton of fish hanging out under those leaves, but I'm going to skip down to find where it's flowing a little better. Might have a better chance of getting clean casts. Oh, got one. I think it's a bass. Let's see. Yep, it's a bass. Oh, there we go. Shook off my bait too. Not very big, but it's a bass. Oh, got another one. As soon as my camera comes on. Is it a bass? I don't know. Sunfish. There we go. Once the sun gets down like this low, it gets really dark really fast. So I don't have very much time left at all, just a few more minutes. So I'm going to try to skip down to a better spot. They don't seem to have much interest in the swim bait today, so I'm going to just keep throwing the skinny Senko. Oh, that was instant. Grabbed that fast. Probably just a sunfish, but he grabbed it as soon as it hit the water. Yep, another sunfish. Camera probably can't even see. But these things are dominating this creek. I think I have just enough time to hit one more spot. But 3 fish in just a few minutes, it's not too bad. And one of them being a bass out of this creek, that's pretty good. Sometimes it's really hard to find the bass in this creek. And the one I caught was maybe 9 inches. So, I mean, it was small, but that's about average for this creek. So, I would like to catch something bigger. The goal for this creek today would be to catch something about 12 inches. Occasionally, you'll find something bigger that's halfway decent, but I'm not gonna hold my breath today. I gotta start carrying a headlamp in my truck, my car. Oh, is he still on it? Had a bite there. Oh, he came back for it. Got him. That feels pretty good. That might be that 12-incher I was looking for. Just about. Of course, the camera can't see anything. Let me get my light out. Right at, no, that might be 13 inches right there. He's barely hooked too. Get that hook out of there. Barely hooked. Shook off my bait. It's alright. There we go. There's the 12-incher I was just talking about. Could probably do pretty well over here, I think, but I'm just about out of light. I can't really see too much anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.